Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. My name's Amber, if you don't know me. If you do know me, you know my name's Amber. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how I created that look that you just saw like a minute ago. I'm going to show you guys how to create that look, but first I just want to say thank you so much for 378 subscribers. Honestly guys, if it weren't for you, I would not still be here. I like that you guys actually hold me accountable to do things and make content, so thank you so much for being here and I'm so grateful. And if you're new here, join the team, bro. I don't know why I did some Logan Paul shit then, but whatever, we'll get over that. Before I start the video, I just want to say happy Easter to everybody. It's Saturday today, Easter tomorrow. This video will hopefully be out till tomorrow, and if it's not, then I kind of effed up, but hopefully it is. But I'm sat here doing it, ready to do it, so I have the means to. Easter creeped up on me this year. It's because we've been in quarantine and I've just not been focused. First I'm going to take this white eyeliner pencil by Helene and I'm going to apply that on my forehead into like a drip effect. This is really just a line where I'm going to put all the SNAZAROO shit. Okay, now we've got ourselves lined up. Next I'm going to take the SNAZAROO water activated face paint. I think that's what it's called. I can't see what it's called because I actually have the water in the top of it, so sorry about that guys. I'm just going to put that all in the places where I have lined that crap up. Take these bad boys off now. I can't see shit. Oh no, we have gone past the line. It says not to put this SNAZAROO near your eyes, but unfortunately for SNAZAROO, I live life on the edge. I don't think that it will do anything to harm my eye, but I believe SNAZAROO just say it so that they're covered, so if anybody does put it near their eye and then they go blind, SNAZAROO can be like, we told you not to do that specifically and you did it, so you can't sue us. And then I'm gonna wait for it to dry and put 2 to 3 more layers on top of this. Honestly, I deserve so much better than this. This is after the second coat, and this is after the third coat. I think that's whited out enough. I accidentally did some down there, so we'll just put that there. Now I'm just going to apply foundation to the rest of my face like I usually do. I'm going to do this off camera because I've already made a video, and if you want to know how I usually apply my foundation, then just click up above because I'll probably put the link on that side maybe. Or if you want to do your own foundation base, that's your own prerogative. I hope that's the right word. It is! I have now finished my foundation base. I need some damn lip seal. My lips are dry. So next I'm going to start on my eyeshadow and eyebrow for this side, as we're not going to be putting any crazy eye look on this side because this side is gonna be pinked out. So first I grab my Louise base and I put that on my eyelid. Yes, look how straight that line is. Okay. Then I'm just going to smudge this outer line into my nose. Next I'm going to take the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette, my baba. Today I'm actually going to be using 5 shades from the Jeffree Star Jawbreaker palette, I think. I might use a 6. Bubblegum, gumdrop, fuck, cherry wet, and raspberry to try and create a sweet look. I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but I'm gonna do this. Okay, let's go. It's all 3 colours together. Honestly, I'm not really seeing a difference between this one and this one. It kind of hurted me though. Colour. And I'm just going to apply that underneath all of the those top colours again and just give them their own rights. Green, blue it is. And we are adding blue onto the tops of this part. Now I'm going to retake the P. Louise base and I'm going to apply it to my cut crease, but have one of those open cut creases. You know what I kind of feel like now? I kind of feel like an idiot because I'm really struggling with this side recording it. I should have just swapped the sides, but I've committed to it now. I'm just going to take this cherry wet one more time. I feel like we've lost it completely under there, and line all the way around the cut crease that we just created. So I'm going to take Lemon Drop from the Jeffree Star Jailbreaker palette and I am going to apply that all over my lid. Next I'm going to be using the P. Louise Badda base for my eyebrow. Next I'm going to take the P. Louise Basic Brights Poppin Pink and I'm going to put that all over this white bit. To apply it, I'm just using this weird ass stipply brushy thingy-ma-diggy and I'm just literally doing that, letting it mix in with the white ever so slightly and then just letting it do its thing. I'm gonna skip this part because y'all know how to fill in, okay? Y'all know how to fill in. So, be right back. So now that this is all completely filled in, I'm going to take the Badda Black base once more and I'm going to outline the whole thing. And then I'm just going to create some shading around these parts here so it looks like it's actually dripping down my face. Yeah, just forget about that part. Now we're going to get into some fun parts. I'm going to be using the Hallucination, I am pretty sure that's what it's called, by Rose and Sparkle. I don't know if you can see their logo on that. but it's a brand off SD. It gave me loads as well. I had an extra packet of this stuff. I gave it to my niece so she could make some looks with it, but they gave me so much in this little tub. I'm gonna use these as little freckles on my face because I don't have any hundreds and thousands. My God, while I've been shaking that around, it's just been pouring onto my bloody trousers. Well, my pajama bottoms. To take this strip eyelash adhesive, and hopefully this will work, and I'm just going to dot it places around my face. Get some of this, oh God, put it in my hand and just tap it all over my face. See how that gets me around. Because hopefully that works. I can't see anything right now, but maybe I should have done this before, but now I'm going to take my Juvia's Place Saharan Desert Volume 1 blush palette, and I'm going to dip into this pink right here. Over blush at this point because I feel like what's it called? Gluttony would be cute. Pinky, cutie. Oh my God, what's going on here? Like, and then I'm going to take this blush and I'm going to bring it above my eyebrow here, below my eye look here. Then I'm going to take AB from the same palette and I'm going to give myself some definition. I'm going to do my lips. I'm going to take some foundation and I'm going to apply that to the sides of my lips. Actually, it turns out I'm going to apply it to my whole lip. I'm going to take my Rude Boy Red from my P. Louise Basic Brights collection and I'm going to give myself one of those rounded type lips, hopefully. Then I'm going to take the remainder of that Rude Boy Red that I have left and I'm going to put that underneath my eye here. And the final step before my eyelashes is I'm going to take the P. Louise Rude Boy Red and I'm going to be using that as eyeliner today. Now the look is complete, I'm going to show you guys the lashes I'm about to put on. I got the inspiration from a lady on Instagram called arts_cats_makeup stuff, and she makes eyelashes out of all sorts of things and I think they look really cool and I thought they would just suit this look so much. So these are the lashes I'm going to put on. They are some that I made myself. I have got a tutorial coming up for them. I'm not sure if they'll be up on the day I post this or the day after or the day after that, but I'm not sure. You'll have to bear with me on that one. And this is the finished look. Do you like these eyelashes, guys? Because I think it really makes the look. Honestly, I'm not 100% on this look. I think the eyelashes and the wig really make it look better, but on its own it looked like trash, but you have to trust the process. And these eyelashes don't stick very well. Bet if I cut them into 2 pieces for each eye, it would look a lot better and they'd stick a lot easier. So if you enjoyed this tutorial, please don't forget to like, subscribe and comment. Share with your friends, I don't mind. If you'd like to follow me on Instagram, my username is @80yearsaverage. And I'm going to be doing a video for TikTok on this look. So if you'd like to see that, then just follow my TikTok @AmberJHunter. And I think that's everything. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you later. Bye!